M0FXB, welcome to my videos on the Yaesu FT4XE dual band VHF, UHF and broadcast frequencies radio. Right, we've got our repeater in there, so let's get it into the memory. So all you do is just hold down VM like so, then use the numeric keyboard to select the lettering. So G is on number 4, so we go G, keep pushing it till you get G, then push the function button to move it across. Then we want B, function button, then C, I think actually we want 3, so let's do 3, GB3, move it along, function button here, GB3, BC, so A, B, move it along, and then C, A, B, C, GB3, BC, and now hold down the VM button here, and it will say memory in, and it will take you back to VFO mode. To go into memory mode, just go, you're on A band, B band, then you're in memory mode. And look, number 3 is GB3, BC. I think we are just about opening it. So anyway, yeah, I think just about. So, and we can cycle through our memories. And if we want to scan, we just hold it down. And it will stop when there's activity. Obviously, there's only three memories in there. Thanks for watching. All the best. How to add your memory channel to your Yaesu FT4XE 7.3. Very nice little radio. Very good value, this radio. Very pleased with it and what you get for your money. 7.3. All the best. M0FXB. Quick unboxing of the Yaesu FT4X. So why have I got this? Well, it's just such a bargain for £60. I think it was like 64 delivered from Moonraker, and you get a proper Yaesu budget radio. I know we've got our Bofengs and lots of other budget stuff lying around. This is the EU model, so I'll just do the unboxing and then we'll be doing lots of videos just showing you how to program it. You can use a programming lead, which does not come in the box, but I'm just going to do it from the front. You've got a keypad. So yeah, a proper instruction manual, looks good. We'll go through that later. And rechargeable battery pack. So it talks about the battery, I guess. And it's quite a small, dinky little radio, which I knew that when I purchased it. So let's just slide out the packaging. It's got what they call the trigger sort of micro PTT, which I would say is a very similar type to the FT70. Now, I highly recommend the FT70, but it's 3 times the price. So here's the just a comparison of size between the 70 and the 4X. I haven't put the antenna on it yet, but look at the PTT. Very similar feel and design to it. So yeah, it's it looks very good quality. There's the battery in the back there. Pretty sure to get it off you just slide it over like that and then it just comes out. It does actually come with a desktop charger. You've got your function button, input for squelch there, and programming. Now that looks like speaker mic and programming connector there with a threaded connector, on off there, emergency. I think if you hold that it makes a sound basically. And then let's have a look at the antenna as well. I mean, they do give good quality boxes, don't they? Yeah, so I always keep boxes. I'm a bit of a box freak, to be honest. I always like the box to be in perfect condition. So, yeah, adapter for your mains as required. It's a charging adapter there. Cool, quite well packaged. Charging adapter, I think it's 1 amp, 12 volts. I'm pretty sure it is. Nice chunky lead there. That's the adapter that you can just slide on, so you don't have to play around in the UK. So the old one, you just push that button, slide it up, put that in the box. Who knows, might need that abroad. And then we'll work it out in a minute. I got it the right way around. Just one sec. Okay, sussed it. So you go like so. You want the wider flaps just to be sort of above, like that. There you go. See that? Like that, and then it clicks down into place then and latches. And I'll just take it off. See that? Clips in, and that's it. So that's that. Then you've got your belt clip with the screws in it, which I do always put belt clips on. I feel like the radio just feels better with them on, or probably lost the screws there, but anyway, the belt clip goes here, like so. I'll put that on in a sec, just a couple of screws. It's a nice weight, nice size. Yeah, it's a nice looking little device. And then we need the antenna. We've got here. Oh, that's a nice, very nice, chunky, solid looking antenna. Yeah, very, I like that a lot. Someone said the frequencies on it is only 70 centimeters. No, it does say on there 136 to 174, so that's not true. So maybe it was on one of the other Chinese radios. These are made in Japan, by the way. So that's good, looks nice, and then we'll get the charger out, charging base. And that's unusual, isn't it, to actually get a charging base with a radio. And why have they done that? Well, they're trying to compete with both, aren't they? So, which is fine if competition makes us get better deals and more things. So there you go. We're going to put that on charge, and then we're going to be looking at how to program the thing. But I know that you've got a function menu here. There you go. Function, there you go, look. It talks to you as well. But we're not going to do that now. But I'm very pleased with it. It's a very nice looking little set. 7.3 for now.